In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send money to Kenya with Remitly. To get started, open your Remitly account in the app or on the website and make sure you're signed in. Once you're on the main screen, look at the country option near the top and select Kenya as the receiving country. This is an important step because it sets up the transfer options, delivery methods, and payment details specifically for Kenya. After choosing Kenya, click on Send Money to begin the transfer process. From there, you'll be asked to choose or add the person you want to send money to. If the recipient's contact information is already saved in your account, you can simply click their name and continue. This is the fastest option if you've sent money to them before. If the person is not already saved, click New Contact. Then select their country and begin entering the required recipient information. Make sure you type everything carefully and double-check the details before moving on. Even small mistakes in recipient information can delay the transfer, so it's worth taking an extra moment here to confirm everything is correct. Next, enter the amount of money you want to send. As you do this, Remitly will usually show you the exchange rate, any fees, and the amount the recipient is expected to receive. This helps you understand the full cost of the transfer before you confirm it. If you're sending a specific amount so the recipient receives exactly what they need, pay close attention to the breakdown shown on the screen. After that, select the delivery method. The available options may vary depending on the recipient and location in Kenya, so choose the one that works best for them. Then, select your payment method for funding the transfer. Once you've chosen that, click Continue. At this stage, you'll need to enter the recipient's account details, depending on the delivery option you selected. Follow the prompts on your screen carefully and review all the information before submitting the transfer. It's always a good idea to check the recipient details, the send amount, and the payment method one more time before confirming. Once everything looks correct, continue through the remaining prompts to complete the transaction. And that's it. That's how to send money to Kenya with Remitly. If you're doing this for the first time, just move slowly, read each screen carefully, and make sure all details are accurate to help your transfer go through smoothly.